Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix restricted settings showing up for a particular Android app in Samsung smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung home screen. So firstly, just go to the settings and just scroll down below and you will see here one option, accessibility. Just tap on it and tap on this install apps. So say here I have one application named as Niagara Launcher. So the option is being grayed out, right? So if I tap on it, now you can see here it's showing some message written restricted settings. So you can see for your security this setting is unable. So how you can fix it already mentioned at the bottom. So just tap on OK. Now let us move back. And now you will see here one option, apps, under the settings option. Just tap on this apps option. Now just search the application where the restricted settings is being showing up. So in my case it's a Niagara Launcher. So let us search. So now you can see here Niagara Launcher. Just tap on it. Now on the right top corner you can see a three dot icon. Just tap on it. Now you can see here allow restricted settings. Just tap on it. Now you can see restricted settings allowed for Niagara Launcher. So now just move back and once again click on this accessibility option and click on this installed apps. Now you can see here the Niagara Launcher option is not being grayed out. Now if I tap on it, I can enable or disable all the options here. So by using this method, you can easily fix restricted settings showing up for the particular Android app in Samsung smartphones very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.